Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the default screen protector from your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. You may not know this, and I didn't know this at first, but there is actually a screen protector fitted on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. You can just see there, especially around the camera lens. There we go. And also around the edge. And I've had it now for a few months, and there's quite a few scratches, so it's a good thing because obviously I don't have to replace the screen. I can just replace the screen, the default screen protector. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need to do is get your nail under the corner, like so, and it just peels back. And there you have it without the cover. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.